What's up, guys? Bob Heineman here at Seattle Integrated Martial Arts, and I just wanted to share a quick little story with you, or thoughts about a conversation I just had with somebody, a parent, who wants to get their teenager into some training, for various reasons. And one of the questions was, I assume that this is coming from the parent, that they said, I assume that your classes involve, learning physical and emotional control, as well as like staying calm, in battle or something like that. And, got me thinking that, we don't necessarily directly talk about those types of things, because the nature of our training kind of already creates that dynamic, that already enhances that in people because of the type of the environment that we run here, right? So we're a school where people respect each other's differences and sort of different paths, I should say, of why we're here. And so by the nature of training and learning to respect your partner's safety while you're training highly combative martial arts, it's almost a paradox. By the nature of just doing that, the byproduct is that physical and that emotional control. It's not automatic. It doesn't happen right away. It's something that's cultivated over time. The more someone becomes like a martial artist, someone that does this just, for the sake of improving themselves and helping others to improve. Because really, that's what it is. I mean, you come here to gain for yourself and improve on yourself, but you're also part of a community. You're part of the school, and so you're also here to help others. And that just, what's the saying? A rising tide lifts all ships. So, I would say that absolutely this type of training develops physical and emotional control. It has to, otherwise you can't exist here. And I've had people coming from different sources. We have people from military backgrounds to all the way to people who've never been in a physical conflict in their life, training together, finding ways to train together to find that common ground within, again, very highly combative martial arts. I would also say things like sparring, learning, when you get to the point of sparring, is that next step where you're learning to control yourself physically and emotionally. Brazilian Jiu-jitsu is a great example of this, dealing with pressure, dealing with uncomfortable situations, and being able to stay calm is, I think, one of the biggest benefits to doing Brazilian Jiu-jitsu, aside from the awesome technique and the physical, fitness and combativeness, all those things, absolutely. But even just the mental aspect of it, the psychological aspect of it, of being in bad positions and being able to weather that storm and kind of get your ego out of the way and work through the techniques and all those things. It's, very vast. So anyways, just want to bring it up. So, hey, if you're looking for more physical and emotional control for yourself or for one of your loved ones, give us a call, check out our website, click the link below. All right, guys, talk to you soon.